Buzzwords come and go, but customer experience is here to stay. In today's business world, how your customers feel about your brand is everything. That's where CX consultants can be a game changer, especially for small and medium-sized businesses, also known as SMBs. Let's break it down. Who is a CX consultant? They're the architect of your customer experience. They analyze every touch point a customer has with your company, from finding you online to getting support after a purchase. Their goal is to make that journey smooth, satisfying, and something customers want to repeat. CX consultants use their expertise to diagnose issues by uncovering the hidden problems hurting your customer experience. Then gather more insights as they talk to your customers, getting real-world feedback on their needs. Later on, they map your journey as they visualize how customers interact with your business, pinpointing areas for improvement. Then, develop strategies as they create a customized plan to boost customer satisfaction at every step. Finally, they coach your team by sharing their knowledge, fostering a customer-centric mindset across your business. How could you choose the right CX consultant? Look for these essentials. 1. A track record of success in businesses like yours. 2. Clear communication. 3. Measurable CX improvements are their priority. 4. And final, they collaborate with you and your staff seamlessly. If you're ready to transform your business with exceptional customer experiences, partner with experts like Customerization. Contact us today and let's unlock your growth potential. Details in the description.